Hi friends, warm welcome to my channel Games and Tech. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about latest and unique tricks and glitches of PUBG Mobile. If you are playing PUBG Mobile, this is very important for you because these tricks will make you disappear from the eyes of your enemy. You will be the front of your enemy, but they will not be able to see you, and you can easily kill enemies around you. You can see your enemy with your naked eyes. So this video is going to be amazing for PUBG Mobile lovers. Watch this video be carefully, don't miss any part of it. If you skip any part of maybe you can miss important part of this video. These tricks are really amazing and will take you to the different level of game. It also help you to get more kills, more damage and too much fun. It will also help you to increase your level and ranks in game. In case you are in gold level, so you will reach in a platinum level. If you are in platinum level, you will reach in a diamond level. If you are diamond level, so you reach in a crown level. If you are in a crown level, so you can reach easily to the ace, and in ace you will get more benefits. So I'm reaching in school now because this, you see this gas cylinder, this is have a not so now I'm first trick is here. I'm hiding myself in the under the bridge, which is you found different places. So in most of the time in Rozok, so you see the Rozok's building. So most of the time the final circle is here. So we don't found a place to hide, especially in the lakeside. So we can camp here, and we can camp on both sides of the lake, right and left. Now I tell you how you can fire and kill from the enemy from here to the enemy. You can see now we are totally disappear, we are under the bridge, totally safe and sound. So now you see we can fire and we can check the enemies here. No one enemies here, so we can fire on the both sides. Now I will go for my second trick. So I got a car. Now I park car in the bush. So I'm trying to disappear here. Let me get some proper parking. I take the reverse so I can park properly. Make sure you park properly in the bush, and you can exchange the seat, driving seat to the passenger seat. So only that way you can use your gun and you can kill. Make sure from the front you are appearing or you're disappearing. You are visible or you are visible, or easily you can kill enemy. If you are disappear, so you are not visible. So you can see now you are not visible to the enemy, and enemy can visible to you. So I properly parked the car here. I took little reverse. So now you can check with your eye that we are totally totally disappear. You can see with eye. Yes, yeah. So I have checked it, so no one can see here. It's not like that you have to specially this trick only for the school area. Wherever you find a kind of bush, you can park your car and you can wait for the enemy, especially in the last zone. You see the enemies here, and you can kill the enemy easily. Yeah, so we are killing enemy easily. Yes, we done it. You see, easily without any problem we have killed the enemy. So there is not an issue to stay here. But my third trick is especially for the army camp or military camp. So because military camp, most of the time I think 70% of chances in the final zone in military base. So what I'm gonna do for that, I have to get some loot here, because the military base has a very busy, so lots of enemy there. If I don't have any good guns or good loot, so I can be killed easily. So let me get some loot from here, so we can manage stay in military base. So what we do, we go, all right, I found a buggy. For the last trick I killed with one enemy with a buggy. So now I'm going to park the buggy between these 4 gas cylinders. You see, don't park in any other place. Park the car in a properly buggy in between these 4 cylinders. Take forward and take reverse and park like this. Exactly park like this, like I parked here. So go forward and take little reverse. Now I am going to park like this. So now what I'm gonna do, I exchange my seat with driving to the passenger. So that's the way I can use the gun and I can kill the enemy. So now you see I'm totally invisible. So if you are invisible, you can view your enemy. I can hear the footsteps of the enemy, so I can hit the enemy easily. You can see now how I am. The enemy also, surprised that who's killing me. He's jumping. You see, he's jumping. He don't know who's killing from where. So we kill the enemy easily. So you see, guys, you can camp here and you can watch the tower. You watch another building. You see the lots of people come on the tower, they snipe and they hit you from the tower, but you can totally invisible here, so you can kill enemy easily. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. So keep watching.